I'm trying to figure out how to start this video because it's been 6 months. Can you believe 6 months since my last video? There's been so much going on and I just decided, okay, it's time. It's time to get back into it. So let's start with the Stitch Fix styling box. So that's what I did. And actually I went back and looked to see when was my last video and what was it? And it actually was a Stitch Fix. So I thought, well, let me go ahead and give it another try. I've been kind of hesitant because I had surgery, so I couldn't walk for a couple months and then in a boot and all that, you know, so it just took longer to heal from foot surgery, bunion surgery, than it did the first time, which was 6 years ago. So I'm older, I'm gained some weight, not in shape as much as I was, so it was a little rougher this time. And with the weight gain, and it's just like, do I want to try to get back into shape first, or lose a couple pounds, a few pounds, more than a couple pounds that I put on? And I decided, you know what? I need some clothes because everything I pull out of the closet is just so tight. But I'm working on it. But you know what? As long as I'm healthy, that's all that matters. And I'm feeling good. So it's time. So I'm going to start with the Stitch Fix. If you guys aren't familiar, Stitch Fix has a $20 styling fee. And if you keep 5 items or more, sometimes they'll send you 8. But if you keep at least 5 items, you receive a 25% discount, which is really nice. So the styling fee is $20. If you use my referral link, we both will receive a $25 credit. So that's nice for first time subscribers to Stitch Fix. So this is my bundle and I've looked through it. It's going to be hit or miss, which, you know, that's just the way it is. And, you know, my sizes haven't really changed, but things are fitting quite differently than they used to. But, you know, we'll get there. All right, so let's get started with what's in my box. Then I'll do a try on and I'll give you the pricing information on each item. So this actually I really like. It's just a nice simple pullover top. It's got a snap right here, which you can see it. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like once I get it on. And let's see, is it a true wrap? Yeah, it's a true wrap. But I like how flowy it is because I am wearing looser clothes these days. So I'm excited for that. And what's this? Oh, I did tell my stylist, I said, if you send me anything fitted, size me up. This top is, I believe it's a medium. Yes. So this one, this is also a medium. It's kind of form-fitting. They call it a red, but to me it looks more like a burgundy. And it is a half, I think they call it a half sleeve. And let's see, is there something on? No, it's just fuzz. And it's double lined. So it's a good quality, very good quality. So we'll see what that looks like. Okay. Oh boy, I don't know about this, but this is a dress. I did ask for a dress that I could wear because we do have a pool that I could wear as a swimsuit cover up and as a dress to wear out. So she sent me this cute collared black dress, which I love black, but so it has a nice collar. It's longer. And it has a slit on the side. So it's cute. It's a size medium. I can tell you right now, it's by Britton. I like the style of it, but if I like it, I'll size up because it does look cute. Okay, this was in my list. You know, I selected this item because they send you, I think, 8 items, and you can select up to 8 items from the send you. But if you select less than 5, then the stylist will send you up to 5. So I selected 3, she added 2 items. This was one of the items I selected, but I think it's probably a little dressy. I was thinking to dress up a pair of jeans. Cute, it's got the fray, it's got the little snaps. It's a tweed jacket, it's heavy. It is cute, it's got the zipper on the side. So we'll see. not overly excited about it. And then we have a pair of jeans. Yikes. Oh boy, let's see. These are by Just USA, size 10. Ooh, that's gonna be tight. Oh, they look wide, actually. They look they look wider. Oh, those look like those would fit. And they're the wide leg, which I requested. So they're the light wash. They're a little heavy. And usually Just USA fits me pretty well. They're usually a little generous with their sizing for me. So let's try them on and keep our fingers crossed. I have the dress on. Oh boy, it's snug. It doesn't feel tight, but it's, you know, it just forms to your body. That's just the style of the dress. I am wearing a size medium. It's by Britton. It's $49, which I think is a fabulous price. This is a black, and it has the white trim on the collar, which is cute. I like the V-neck, love the sleeves. It's really a cute dress. I did put some shapewear on just to give me a little extra help. Back up so you can see the length. Love these shoes. I'll show you the shoes. I don't know, it's really cute. It's just not for this girl with being self-conscious, but it might be for one of you guys. I mean, it's really cute. And the price, $49, I think that's a good price. Okay, let me show you these shoes. So I had bunion surgery, now on both feet. And my son got married this month, July. And I was so afraid that I wasn't gonna be able to wear heels. And even the doctor, the surgery was in January, and it was a long recovery, very long. And it was rougher this time. So I asked the doctor, I said, you know, my son's getting married. Am I gonna be able to wear a pair of heels or shoes? And he's like, you know, it's gonna be, we just have to wait and see. So I have and my feet feel fine in heels, surprisingly, but I pretty much grew up in heels. Well, I didn't grow up, but all my jobs, I wore high heels, you know, the tall ones. I showed houses in heels. I worked in purchasing. I had to go to the factory and run around the building in heels. So my feet are just used to them. It's flats. I got to find out if I can start wearing flats now that my bunion's gone. So I have these that I absolutely love. I bought them over a year ago, I think. They're by a company called Cozy Island, and they asked to collaborate with me a few times, and I was just not ready. Because I didn't give the shoe a real chance. I wore them for the first time to my son's wedding, and I was on my feet all late afternoon, and I did not have any problem, no problems with these. They have a cushion, and they stayed on my feet. They are so comfortable. So I'm going to order some more shoes. If I have a link, I will leave it below. I think there's I'm sure there's a link that, I don't know. I'll put it down below if you're interested. But they have so many different kinds. Love, love, love these. So I'm like sold. I told my husband I'm gonna order a few more pair. So anyway, okay, let me try on something else. This is really a cute dress. I have two items on. Oh my gosh, I love this outfit, and they fit great. So let me tell you what I have on. I have on a white top, white blouse from Montgomery Post. Never heard of Montgomery Post. Size medium, $39. And the Just USA slim wide leg jean in Indigo, size 10, $68. Telling you right now, these are keepers because they fit. The price isn't bad, but let's start with the top. This top is really nice. It's got two different types of material. This is more, I don't know, like it's got a little bit of a texture to it. And then the back is more, it's stretchy, kind of, I don't know what you would call it, but I'm okay with that. It is a true wrap. I guess you would call it a true wrap. Well, yeah, because it's open in here. And if the snap goes, you're in trouble because you're going to be exposed. But you can kind of see it and kind of not. I would almost maybe make that a permanent thing so that, because I can just put it over my head. So this is the top. I think it's really cute. I like the way it lays. It kind of helps camouflage what's going on in the middle here. And it's got these little tucks on the side. The sleeve, it's got a stitching, but it's not stretchy. No, it's the material that's a little bit, this material is the same that's in the back. So with a necklace, I think this would really be cute. I like the length of it. I don't know, this is a keeper. I'm keeping this. All right, these jeans. Oh, these jeans are so nice. Let me back up. I have the same heels on because they're comfortable. I probably need something a little bit higher or to hem the jeans. But I like the wash. I like the style of them. I like how much room are in. I just think that they're really nice. The pockets. Pockets here in the front. I've got room. They're not too tight. They are a high waist, it feels like. Right now it's kind of hard to tell. But it just kind of camouflages what you want to hide, at least for me right now. This is so cute. What do you guys think? I'm going to keep these two because they fit and I like them and I feel good in them. And that's what's important. It doesn't matter if you find something that you like and you're like, oh, that's not in style. Don't worry about it. Wear it. If it makes you feel good, wear it. It's okay. That's what it's about. You want to feel good in what you're wearing. Okay, 2 more items left. Okay, I have the last 2 items on. I went ahead and put this jacket on over the last top so I can just show them both to you. So the jacket is by Rainn. It is a knit tweed fringe jacket. I'm wearing a size medium. It's $88. And then the shirt underneath it, the top, it's by Liverpool. It's called a Luna double layer V-neck half sleeve top. It's red, say red, but it looks burgundy. Size medium, $59. So let's start with the jacket, the tweed jacket. It's very nice. I just don't feel special in it. I don't know, it just doesn't overly excite me, but it is nice. It has the zip pockets on the side. It's lined. Well, no, it's not lined. That's the pocket. But that's nice. It feels nice. And let's see, it's thick. Maybe the collar is throwing me off. It does have some fringe on the collar here and on the sleeve. Then you have the snaps here. Those are working snaps. This is a black. It's nice. The fringe goes down the front and there is some piping here. I mean, it's cute, but I'd rather wear my jean jacket, honestly. Let's see, is the fringe goes all the way around the bottom. It is a really nice jacket. Maybe if I was into fall right now, maybe, and with the right outfit, maybe I would fall in love with it because it is pretty cute. You could dress up a pair of jeans. I think a white, I should have tried it on with the white blouse, but not overly excited. So this is more than likely going to go back. Everything I show you, I will leave links below in the description box. So if you guys want more information as far as like the fabric, the machine, the washing instructions and stuff like that, it'll be all in the link of the item. This is really nice. I'm not sure this is the right color for me. I don't know. It just, something about it is like, it's okay, the color, but it's double lined. It's really a nice top. I like the length of the sleeves. I'm not sure I'd wear it with these jeans. Maybe end up doing a front tuck, putting a belt on or something. Right now, I'm not into tucking too much in. So, but that's it. That is my Stitch Fix. And let me tell you what the total is. Total, $303. Minus, if I kept all 5, would be a $75 discount, which would bring it down to $227.25. I do not have the style pass, so I had to pay a $20 styling fee. Shipping is free, so my total would be $207.25 if I were to keep all 5 items. If I loved the jacket, I would exchange that dress for a large and get some stronger shapewear. So to make me feel more comfortable, because I do really love that dress. But that's it. That's what I have to share with you today. Let me know what you guys would like to see in future videos. Would you like to see some clothing hauls? Would you like to see some more styling boxes? I'm kind of on the fence on ordering a trend send. Maybe get one of those. I have some clothes, some items that I have from Amazon that are in my cart that I think I'm going to go ahead and order. Just a couple items. I think they're all shirts, I think. And I think that's it. I would like to do a video update for you with what's been going on through our life. There's been a lot in the last few years. Some of it I've shared, a lot of it I have not. And I started to think about doing an update video and hoping that maybe it would help some of you, which things have helped me. But it's going to be a hard video. It will be a hard video, but it might help somebody else. Everything is great. We are trying to still get settled in this house. As you can see, my mantle does not have a mirror over it anymore because it fell and broke and shattered when I was laid up. So I haven't replaced it yet. And we've got some other things that have been done. And once we get a few more things completed, then I might do a house tour. So we'll see. But that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.